Guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a simple potato salad. So in here I have my potatoes, which is already cooked with salt. Okay, so you need to cook the potato with salt, remove them and allow the potatoes to be cool. Before preparing your salad. So this is the onion I'm going to be using. You need red onion for this salad. You need some fresh tomatoes. I'm using tomato salad. If you don't have fresh tomato salad, you can use normal tomatoes or cherry tomatoes. Here I have some cucumber already clean sliced. Okay, you can skip the cucumber if you don't want. Here I have some salt. In here I have my oregano. This recipe, oregano is the best for it, but if you don't have oregano, you can use parsley. And here is my extra virgin of olive oil. Make sure you're using 100% olive oil for this recipe. All right, so all you need to do is to start peeling your potatoes. So I'm going to peel off the back of the potatoes, then we'll continue. Alright, now I'm done peeling off the potatoes. So all you need to do is to slice the potatoes in a cube shape like this. Just a bite, the one you can easily bite. Alright, our potatoes are ready. Now I'm going to add, you basically add every other ingredient you're using to make this, okay? Make sure you're using red onion for this recipe for a better result. Now I'm going to add the cucumber, a little bit of salt. Remember, the potato has salt in them. Some oregano. I'm using homemade oregano. This is enough. Extra virgin of olive oil. Alright, now it's time for us to mix. You have to mix with your 2 hands, with 2 spoons, just like this. Alright, here we go. Our salad is ready. All you need to do is to serve them. Make sure you're serving this cold. Make sure your potatoes are cold before preparing this. It will give it you don't want to use hot potatoes, so time to test it. Guys, you need to give this a try. Mamma mia. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. God bless you. Bye.